All right, in this video, we're gonna be putting together this Vevor Hydroponics Tower with the included grow lights. So let's see if we can figure out the instructions. Unlike everybody else in the Amazon reviews that says they are confusing. I don't think this is gonna be difficult. People are just silly. Where did I put the feet? That's gonna be the hardest part, is finding all the pieces. So the feet are in this bag. There's 4 of them. I did go ahead and rinse this piece out because I had some foam and some plastic bits in it. And then I also rinsed out the rubber tube that came with it. But these feet, looks like they just screw in, and then they have the adjuster foot that you can level on your ground. Oh, these don't even screw in, they just press in. Nice and easy. Just like that, easy. Why is that hard for people? Okay, feet installed. Step 2, get your lid and your pump and feed your pump cord through the inside of the lid. That's the hole that I was missing in the unboxing. Okay, easy, from the inside. Yes. Oh. What? Install the hose to the pump outlet. Okay. So we got our hose and install it to the top outlet of the pump. Get it as far down as we can. Okay, that's all the way on. Okay, let's set this here. Step 4 is to put all these tower pieces together. I kind of started doing that in the unboxing, but you just lift them out of the storage configuration like this and turn them a little bit so that the little dovetail pieces line up with the grooves, and then press them in together, and it's the same on all of them. Okay, and then feed the hose through the middle of them. Like that. Hose comes out the top. Nice. Oh, install the last. Oh, you're supposed to do them 2 at a time. Not bad. I did them all at once. Okay, next, step 6, we're gonna take this cap piece along with this hose clamp with the wing nut attached to it. That's nice. And put the thing on the hose, and then attach this with the barbs there, and then tighten this. Don't fall. Honestly, probably doesn't even need this, but we're doing it. Okay, that's good and tight on there. I don't think the hose would come off anyways, but there we have it. And then this slides down and hooks in like all the other pieces. Actually, let's take a look at how this trickle down system works. So inside, there's where the plants are, and then under those is like a little pool area. So those will fill up, and then once those are full, they overflow into the next section, which is tapered down to holes that go over the next opening. So that's how this trickle down system works. That's actually good to know. And then that way, there's like a little pool of water for the plants to soak up fully, and then yeah, that just trickles down all the way. Nice. There are only like 2 small holes at the bottom of each of them, which could be a clogging issue, but that's just where some of the maintenance comes in for a system like this. But it looks like everything is tapered nicely to those holes, so there's not going to be any stagnant puddling or anything like that inside of here. So that's nice. I was curious about how it was going to work, about how the trickle down was going to work, because some of the really expensive garden systems or hydroponic tower systems have patents and stuff on all their trickle down designs and whatever. Once you get all the sides in, then it just presses in like the other pieces. Cool. Easy. Again, I don't know why people thought this was hard. These instructions are perfectly adequate. They have words and pictures. Easy. Okay. Next, line up the arrow on one of these pieces with the arrow on the lid. So let's see if we can find one of those arrows. Oh, there's a little notch. Okay, and then, oh shoot, this was supposed to go through, this hose was supposed to go through the lid. Okay, I take it back. I gotta unbarb this hose, which isn't too bad. Just twisting it, and then this has to go through the lid. So, pump inside the lid, hose outside the lid. Easy enough to fix that and put that hose back over. Okay, just like that. And then I feel like this pump isn't gonna reach the bottom. Then the groove goes down and this seats all the way down inside like so, like this. And then, so the pump just hangs freely past the water pump the center of the bucket lid as shown. Subsequently attach the water tap to the bucket lid. So I think I was just holding the lid backwards when I put the pump on. So we're good. Okay, and there's that. That's one thing. These plastic colors are mismatched, but that's fine. No biggie. Okay, connect the adapter, smart switch, and female port of the water pump together. Do not run it dry, probably. The water storage bucket is poured into the 20-liter nutrition solution with a folding funnel. Oh, that's what the funnel is for, so you can put in your nutrients. Oh, and there's the lid that covers that. And then there's this, a little rubber grommet that probably goes there that I forgot to put in. I forgot to put on the little rubber stopper, but I think I can get it over the plug. I mean, there's no other way to do it. You have to pass the plug through at some point. So we'll get that all the way down to the bottom, and then that goes. Okay, there's that. And then this plugs into that. And then this goes into one of the smart plugs, and that's that. The intelligent switch is inserted into the power supply, and the balance of the foot is adjusted to 90 so that each layer of the water tower has the nutrient solution flowing through. Then it can be used normally. Okay, so just making sure that it's level so that all of the spouts get water going through them equally. Good. Okay, so there's these little filters here, but apparently there's one in the pump already that you just use the little included screwdriver to pop off the cover and then replace. Okay, I kind of want to make sure that there is one installed already. This is going to be tricky to take off the lid when there's plants on here. I mean, it's kind of meant to just go through the fill ports and stuff when you're adding solution and whatnot. Okay, this lid's kind of tricky to get off if there is a filter. So here's a little included screwdriver that you can use to pop off the filter cover. Okay, yeah, so there is a filter installed inside already. That's good. Let's actually rotate this 90 degrees. Okay, cool. All right, next we're going to put together the light frame. Okay, so I think the tricky part that people are talking about is I have to feed these cables through the pipe sections, which when you're turning it at a corner angle might be a little bit tricky. Right, let's just take this one step at a time. I think we'll be okay. So we need these non-corner ones, the ones with the T shape. Okay, and we take a long piece, put this piece on, nice and tight. Oh no, that long piece is a light. Okay, and then so we need the side with the pins at the top, and this goes through the pipe like this and onto the light. Okay, those fit nice. I'll cinch everything down once I know that I'm doing it right. And then this one, we take another piece. Actually, this needs to be facing inwards because that's, yeah, so face it inwards this way because the frame's gonna be going this way. And then we take another one at the bottom and it goes out the side hole like that. Push those together. Oh, nice. This light has infrared diodes on it, I think, unless they're just red. Oh, it has a alpha and beta markers on it. Or alpha, I mean, I guess you don't want alpha or beta radiation. Okay, so there's one piece done. Okay, these words are kind of confusing. Assemble a 355 mil horizontal tube, a 4-pass, a 3-pass, and a lamp together. I also forgot to put on one of these in the last one. It goes into this, okay, like that. And then, so we need a corner and a light bar. The corner takes the female end and we go through the side of it, again facing that inwards, and then another T-piece. Okay, the T-piece goes on and the cord comes out the left hole. So like that, and then one of the tubes connects that. Then next, connect the figure 1 or step 1 and step 2 together according to the drawing. No, wire the wires first and tighten them with the nuts that come with the wires. Hi, baby. You're getting hungry. Oh, yeah, it's your food time, huh? I'm kind of busy, though. Huh? So I guess the tricky part about this assembly is just getting all the lights to daisy chain properly. That's like the only tricky part. I feel like lamp wire is in the hole of the 4 barrels. And a 1 lamp together for backup. Yeah, these are definitely just translated from the Chinese. So we're supposed to take this piece and attach it to this piece. We have the corresponding connectors. Okay, so these top 2 don't connect together, but this bottom one does. Okay, so we put the connector together. We put the connector together like that. Oh, my thumb popped. And then we screw on the little connector nut. Those ain't coming apart on their own anytime soon. And then we press these together. It's gonna bunch up the cord a little bit. Okay. Okay, just like that. Boom. I think they're facing in this way. I don't know why there's a corner piece and a not corner piece here. Just one step at a time. One step at a time. Oh, okay. This is a 4-pass. It has the 4 holes. And this is a 3-pass. This has the 3 holes. Got it. So assemble 2 355 millimeter long transverse tubes, a 4-pass, a 3-pass, and a light tube as per the figure. Okay, so we'll take a 3-pass, and the 3-pass has the long pipe, and so that's at the top, and it goes out the right hole like this, and then a transverse tube goes over that like that. And then the cord on this one comes out the left hole, like this. So you're right, my left, with the light facing this way. And then transverse tube on this side, okay. So I think this one that's dangling out is the main connection, the first connection. Me parece que sí. Okay, so that's that. Make sure that's turned inwards. Okay, good. Coming out the correct holes. Yep. Okay, next, connect the assembly in figure 3 and the assembly in figure 4 together. Okay, watch out. Okay, so figure 3 is here, and then figure 4 goes on this side like this. So these 2 connect together and snug. Put the nut on first. Let me connect the bottom there so it stops wiggling on me. Okay, tighten this up. Good. And then these go together. Gonna get a little squished cable in there. Squish the bottom together. Okay, just like that. Neat, neat. And let me guess, we're doing the last one. There was only 1 cable to go together. Yes. Okay, last one. Female end on top. No, well, female end on the 3-pass. Through the 3-pass, and it comes out the left hole. Make sure the nut comes with it, like that. Because these 2 are gonna connect together. And then, oh, that's just an end. It just connects at the top, nothing in it. And this connects at the other top, nothing in it. So, get the nut down to the end. These 2 cords go together with the nut. Okey-doke. Why does that come out the top? Yeah, why does that come out the top? Whatever. I guess because there's feet on the bottom. Okay, nice. So that's that piece, and then the feet with the legs go on the outside, or on the bottom, and on the outside. See, yeah, this thing, like I said in my unboxing, that this thing I bought it used, but this thing's brand new, like it hasn't been used, which I guess is the like new qualifier. Good. And somebody in the reviews said this thing was gonna fall apart without PVC glue. No, this thing's not gonna fall apart. Okay, and I got all the wires connected. So now, we just connect this piece to the part that sticks out here and get the nut, and these go together. All right, let's see how bright this thing is. Just gonna plug it into my jackery over here. Okay, here it comes. Wow, buddy. Whew. Those are bright. So yeah, there's white LEDs and there's red LEDs. So that's cool. Ooh, that's bright. Wow. And there's like 50 shadows. Okay, cool. Don't need that on right now. Ooh, that's bright. Okay, connect the power. After confirming there's no problem, the direction of the lamp illumination and knob are aligned to the center, and the power is removed and reinforced to a tight fit. Good. Oh, I guess I put the feet on before testing it. All by it. Okay, operation method. The hydroponic tower should be installed on a flat and hard ground. I have carpet. I can get a piece of wood or cardboard or something. Planting should ensure that the number of planting in each layer is consistent and even. It is recommended that there are 5 plants in a layer. That's good. Otherwise, it may cause the deformation of the water tower due to long-term uneven stress. And it is necessary to check and adjust regularly to ensure that the force is even in a circle. Okay, that makes sense. Let me clamp this closed and then press all the pieces together. A little bit more, not too hard. Okay, that looks like it's even. Check and adjust the water level in the tank weekly. Add nutrients weekly. Plants grow best in a sunny outdoor location or indoors with grow lights. Got them. With at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day or 14 hours with indoor grow lights. Good. Your hydroponic tower requires continuous power and water replenishment weekly. Adjust the frequency of using the water pump according to the season and local environment. Okay, so that's the assembly. Cool. It's got the little lid cap there. This guy here. Those are all pressed together nicely. Came with the grow pad. Gotta get all the styrofoam off of it. So it's time to put my germinating seeds into this, and then into this little grow tin. That's super cool. Did not expect that. I don't know how many you're supposed to put in here, but I'm gonna put some in there. And cool. And that's how you set up the hydroponics tower and the grow lights. Not too bad. You just gotta pay attention to the drawings. Cool.